Okay, on to our next song, and this is another 4/4 timing song, but we're using the eighth notes, which means we're playing a down and a up strum, 1 and 2 and this has the pickup notes on it again, like the first 3/4 waltz song we did, Clementine. So you will start singing on "She'll Be Coming." So on "Coming" is your first downbeat. Coming round the, okay? Here we go. 80 beats per minute. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Second verse. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. Yes, she will. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. Stop. Good. I remember playing that song to my son Goodson, who I, named the first string after, many times. He would, and I would go, "She'll be driving 6 white horses." I had like I was driving some horses. All right, next song.